we're back. So how are we going to get random colors? Okay, that is the question. So we're going to need a function for this. And we're going to make our function in the main app component. We'll just make it a method on the app component, and we'll call it getRandomColor. So if you're familiar with the colors, it can be hexes like black. But it can also be RGB colors. So you've seen it's like 255, 00 is red. So you got your red, your green, and your blue in the RGB function. So we're going to use that. So what we'll do is make const red, and we'll set that equal to math.floor of math.random times 256. That'll get us from 0 to 255 using JavaScript's built-in math object. Three of those. Red, green, so we just call them R, D, B. That's going to give us a random set every single time. And we'll just return, and we'll use a string literal with the backticks, or the S6 syntax. And we'll just say RGB, and inside those parentheses, you've seen the syntax for string literals. You just do the $ curly braces and put your variable in there. You don't have to use the pluses for concatenating strings. This has been out for a little while. Probably seen this before. But that's going to return a random color every time it's called. So why are we putting it in the app? Because we're going to need it in the app. We're going to need it a couple different times, but we are going to need it inside the light component as well. So what we're going to do is we'll pass it down as a prop. Like so. Pass it down to light like this. So what we can do here is set up our constructor and say this.state, an object, and we'll say color. We'll start it out as white. And then instead of background color white here, we can say background color is, in fact, this.state.color. And now that we're at it, we can make an on-click handler. We can put on-click handler right onto this. It's on-click. We're going to do something. So we'll make a handle click method. Call this .set state. We'll set color equal to this.props.get random color. And then on click we'll call handle click. Oops, excuse me, this dot handle click. Unknown. This is a reserved word. Okay, that was a JavaScript object. I don't need the brackets there. So we've set everything up. Oh, we may have a problem. Prop is not defined. Oh, forgot the S. There we go. All right, so we've already got our random color coming in. Not too shabby. We're already there, just about. But I'll tell you what, we want to be even fancier. We can actually say background radial gradient using a string literal again. Circle, comma, white 5%, comma, this dot state dot color 65%. I'll go to that part. Now that gives us that lit up look. You can look up documentation on radial gradient. That's what I had to do, but that's how you set the pattern, then you set percentages on the different colors you want, starting from the inside first. So it's a pretty cool way to spruce up the app like that. Let's see, while we're at it, we'll give this class name title. Because our title has disappeared. I want to see our title again. Okay, there's our title. And our buttons are way over there. So let's give our title margin left. Oh no. Happy W. You can see over here it's a glowing title. So before we get too carried away with styling, we'll start working on some of the functionality. We'll start working on basically we'll start working on trying to get this functionality right here, the drag functionality. That's starting to get to the trickier parts. And then these will be last. These are even trickier. So next video we'll do the